Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Rainmeter is installed and up to date. That prevents permission issues later. Once done, download a clock skin file, prefer RM skin for one-click install or a zip if you want manual control. Make sure the skin files land in documents /Rainmeter/skins or run the RM skin installer so Rainmeter registers the skin for you. These first steps get the files and permissions right, so you can load the clock without chasing missing assets or folder confusion. You now open Rainmeter's Manage window and locate your clock skin, expand its folder and load the INI file to show the clock. Once visible, move and scale it with your mouse, then tweak settings like snap and stay top so it behaves across multiple windows. If you want custom time format or font, open the INI in Notepad, change values like format equals %H, %M or font color equals 255, 255, 255 and save. After edits, hit refresh so you finish by enabling load on startup so the clock appears each boot, verify in Rainmeter settings, and save a profile for easy restoration. Make a backup of your customized skin folder before deeper edits so you can revert quickly. If the clock vanishes or shows errors, refresh all skins first, then check the INI paths to image or font files and confirm Rainmeter has permission to read documents. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues. If not, reload the skin or reinstall the skin package.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.